EVELYN LAGU atulumye nnyo era mwetale talina kyabalumye. You're all pretending. Talina, you were never there for her. Mulekerawo abantu muyigo bawa flowers when they're still alive. Ugandans, stop that nonsense. Nze we nafa nensanga omuzina na gujja kwefuula chief mona kukufa kwange nja kutuga nja kuvayo nga omuzimu. Nja kuvayo nga omuzimu nja batabukira. Ebyo bye mukola ebyo abantu nga bafudde ne mwefuna. You were never there for the girl. So no, from nowhere you all becoming chief mourners. But Uganda and pretense, you're all out making sure that you are becoming chief mourners for EVELYN LAGU. Kale, yes, salute you, you're chief mourners. Like, let me tell you something. You've never been there for her. You never even wanted to do, you never even had anything to do with her completely until when she went to meet the Lord. So all of a sudden you're all crawling out from the woodworks, making it look like, you never at all cared. Thanks to the Zubaili family, thanks to all those family, that EVELYN Love family, thank you so much for always being there for her. That woman would actually be disappointed. She would actually tell me things that I'm like, when are you going to give her flowers? So from nowhere when I moved there. So make sure before you actually try to turn into chief mourners, mutuyambi, make sure you comfort that boy. You comfort his family. Make sure that you find a way how to raise that boy, to pursue his career, continue with his studies. Actually, this concert has to go on. Making sure that concert has to go on so that the money that comes out supports the boy.